What's going on? It's HotDiecast Garage, and today we're opening up the latest Hot Wheels Marvel Entertainment set, which includes 5 vehicles based on Marvel TV shows and movies. The first car in this set is actually based on a comic book. It's the Amazing Spider-Man Hammerhead is Out SpiderMobile. Our second vehicle in the Marvel Entertainment series is based on Deadpool, and it's a delicious Deadpool chimichanga truck.
Take care!
Number 3 is literally the hottest vehicle in this set. It features flames coming out of the engine along the side and very hot wheels because it's the Ghost Rider Charger. On to number 4 in the Marvel set, based on the character The Punisher, we have the powerful Punisher van. And finally, number 5 is a reoccurring Hot Wheels vehicle from Guardians of the Galaxy Volume 2. It's the spaceship Milano. So there we have all 5 of the newest Hot Wheels Marvel Entertainment cars, and I think these are really fun castings and definitely some of the best Hot Wheels superhero cars in my collection. Let me know your favorite car in the comments below, and if you want to see more Hot Wheels unboxing videos, be sure to subscribe here at HotDiecast Garage, and I'll see you guys soon with more new Hot Wheels.